Trucking job opportunity for Class 4/5 drivers in Christchurch, Canterbury, New Zealand. Job title: Class 4/5 driver. Company: Trade Assist. Location: Christchurch, Canterbury, New Zealand. Date posted: October 2, 2023. Pay range: $30 to $33 per hour.
Oh my God!
Job description: Trade Assist is actively seeking experienced truck drivers, Class 4/5, to join our team and embark on a rewarding journey in the world of trucking jobs. As part of a well-established distribution and logistics company, you will play a pivotal role in delivering goods to various stores in Christchurch and the picturesque South Island of New Zealand. Immediate start available. Job highlights. Morning shifts, rotating roster. Engage in line haul and/or metro deliveries, providing exceptional customer service. Competitive pay scale of $30 to $33 per hour, plus an early start allowance. Occasionally, you'll be required to stay overnight, worry not, as we offer overnight allowances and comfortable accommodations. If you're a Class 4 driver with aspirations to upgrade to Class 5, we welcome your ambition. Expect to be part of a close-knit team that values hard work, camaraderie, and the occasional laughter. What's in it for you? Opportunity to transition from temporary to permanent employment. Access to health and life insurance, T&Cs apply. Room for career advancement and growth. Qualifications: to excel in this role, you should have a current Class 4 or 5 full license with a minimum of 18 months of driving experience. Flexibility to accommodate additional shifts and occasional overnight stays, 2 or 3 nights per week. Physical fitness, as some heavy lifting, 15 to 25 kilograms, may be required. Familiarity with the Christchurch and Outer Canterbury region would be advantageous. Current OSH certification would be an added asset. Ready to hit the road? If you're ready to hit the road as a truck driver and take on this exciting opportunity, don't hesitate to apply now. Have any questions or need more information? Reach out to us at 0800 999 599, we'd love to hear from you. Important note, please be aware that all applicants for this position are required to pass a pre-employment drug and alcohol test and undergo an MOJ check. Join us and make your mark in the world of truck driving jobs.